Today, I'm doing a recreation of Soldier Boy from the show The Boys Season 5. I've been getting a lot of requests for this, and what I'm doing is I'm basically going to be just showcasing the outline of what I'm doing, the entire haircut in a very condensed way, and I hope you all enjoy this. So make sure you stay tuned to the whole thing because I will be breaking down the haircut as we progress. What I'm doing is I'm making sure that everything is connected, and I'm following a really simple pattern by pulling everything straight out from the head. Because I'm creating a haircut shape that's going slightly shorter to longer in the front, what I want to make sure that I'm not doing is cutting that back part right in the top back area, which is right here, too short, because everything has to connect from the back into the sides, into the corners, and into the top. So I'm just ensuring that everything is going to be really well balanced. No areas are cut too short. And what I'm simply doing here is just cross-checking in a different way to make sure that the haircut is even and balanced. The next part, which is the most important part, is connecting the back top part into the actual top. This is where I like to say I'm making friends or introducing those areas to each other so they become best friends, because this is the crucial part of making sure that your entire haircut flows in through the top. And the only way to do this, in my opinion, this is the method that I have been using and that I teach, is cutting the hair going vertically towards the face. Now that I've established that vertical connection, I can cut horizontally now going to the front. And this is where I implement my top, corners, and sides cutting method. After I finished cutting the corners, I'm now working into the true sides, and this is where everything really connects from the haircut. And this haircut specifically, even though I'm cutting this more of a rounded or out from the head shape, the sides are important because if you leave them too long, it's not going to flow right. It's going to have too much hair and be too heavy. So this is really, really essential. And I'm working from top to bottom, exposing all of that excess length and all of that excess weight. And as you can see here, I'm just simply trimming up that bottom. I'm now cutting the sideburn length and going to be working around the ear area.
Feeling the spark. Every beat is London. Every glance is clear. Let me be the person reaching when near. I know I'm gonna be to you. I know I'm gonna be for you.
As you can see, everything is flowing into place. I'm going to be using my control cream, which is one of my newest products, and this is literally ideal for any sort of style like this. And I'm so excited that I have this in my lineup now because I've wanted something like this for a long time. This is literally about controlling the hair. If you have dry hair, dull looking hair, this instantly transforms your hair to make it look healthier because of the ingredients. And this is a really, really soft, controllable hold. Very, very pliable. It's perfect for a shape like this. And as you can see, the haircut looks really, really phenomenal. And it's something where you can show photographs of this or his style to your hair professional. This is all about controlling the layers and having that flow. Products used were 25 spray when I first started cutting, then the anti-static vent brush, and then I finished off the style with my control cream. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.